Hey everybody, today we are going to use a Colorado Crafts Company Easter set, and I thought this was adorable. It was illustrated by Anita Jeram, and her artwork is just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. So somehow I did not hit the record button when I painted the mommy bunny. So we are skipping her painting and going on to her babies. So I am just using some distress inks and coming in with a little light wash of color and building it up over time to add the brown colors to them, and then coming in with some pinks for their little ears, and then coming in with different bright colors for the Easter eggs. So now I'll play some music while I color. So I'm just going to die cut my image out. I was going to go with a bigger square, but I decided that I wanted it to be a little bit closer so that I could just make this an A2 size card. I stamped my Happy Spring, and then I come in with a Lawn Fawn plaid paper. Now I have had that paper pad for probably 8 years. I'm not for sure if they even make it anymore. But if so, I'll link it below. So I add my adhesive to the back of the plaid paper and add it on, and then I decide to come in and add some dimension with my mama roll of dimensional tape. Peel off the back of those and then add it to my card. Then I have this beautiful kind of pink metallic ribbon from Stampin' Up! And again, I've had it for a long time. I'm sure they don't make it anymore, but I'm sure you could find something similar at Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that. And I just wanted to make a bow. I feel like people don't use ribbon as much as they used to. It used to be the hot thing. But I have a little stash of it still and just absolutely still love it. I think it's just so pretty, especially for Easter. I think it just adds a nice little touch. So then I'm coming in with some beautiful sequins that are from Doris, and adding those with my little pickup tool. And then I'm adding some Wink of Stellet just to add a little bit of shimmer and shine. And here's the other card that I made first just to test out what I was going to do, and I love that plaid paper with it. I hope that you have enjoyed this card and have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.